of the artist week looked quite different from week 2 because this time I didn't go on some big elaborate artist date. I just didn't feel like doing that this week, and honestly initially I felt really guilty about it because I felt like I should be planning something exciting, for people to see because I'm documenting this journey and sharing my journey. But then I reminded myself that this is not about performing for a video or a video series. This is about being honest. This is about sharing my work, and it's about listening to my inner artist child. And to be very honest, my inner artist child is very simple. It's easy to make her happy, and she doesn't always need fancy dates. All she needs is time with me. And so that is exactly what I did. I went up to the terrace during sunset with my notebook, with the Artist's Way book, and worked on all the week 3's Artist's Way tasks. That was it, and it was just perfect. It was exactly what I needed. There was just something so grounding and serene about just sitting there under the changing colors of the sky where I was writing, and these tasks were really good too. Like the questions were really good too. It truly felt grounding, and I just truly lost track of time. I didn't even know what time it was or how long it had been. And that is when I realized that if it makes me feel alive, it counts, because that is the whole point of artist date. Now, coming to the reflection part and my thoughts on this week, one thing I noticed this week is how deceptively simple the tasks seem at first. So basically, every week there will be some tasks/questions that I need to work on and answer them. And the thing I observed this week is, on the surface, these questions always seem very simple and straightforward. But as I start writing them, it keeps opening up something deeper. It always brings out realizations I wouldn't have expected, especially not from a question like that, because I thought it is just a simple question like, what are the things you like? But it brings out something deeper in me. It's like peeling layers, because what I think the question was about is not actually what the question was about. So that is how these questions are. I don't know if they're intentionally curated that way, but I feel like these questions are very deep. Like, they bring out realizations, it reminds me of things, it teaches me things, and it also challenges me. So overall, while week 3 didn't exactly look extravagant from the outside, it ended up feeling just as meaningful as the earlier ones, because it reminded me that this journey isn't just about doing things that look good. It's about noticing things, it's about feeling, it's about being present with myself. And it also reminded me that I don't have to force the process. Like, I shouldn't make this process so restrictive or compulsory. Like, I shouldn't force myself into this, which only makes me more aversive to doing this. So I shouldn't force the process, and I should consider that even the smallest, simplest artist date counts, as long as it is making me happy, as long as it feels true, and as long as I'm showing up. So that is all about week 3, and this is all for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.